I have a forecast for the kids since it's back to school for many districts tomorrow. Frisco, McKinney, Louisville, Allen, Prosper, and Salina. So overnight tonight there could be a little spotty shower. That's about it. 82 degrees at 3 o'clock in the morning when the kids head out tomorrow morning to school. Mom, dad taking you, grandma, grandpa, whoever's taking you to school, about 80 degrees. There's a little bit of a chance of a little bit of a rain shower overnight or even early tomorrow morning. But for those of you kids like me who were taking the bus, I took the bus to school and I always thought that was a little bit of fun. I have your bus stop forecast. There we are. That was the kind of the secret cue for them to come out here in the studio so I could go in the magic area here and talk about this bus stop forecast. So when the kids head out to the bus stop and the bus picks them up early tomorrow morning, 80 degrees, there's that low chance of a little bit of rain tomorrow morning. Recess or lunchtime, 11-ish, 12-ish. It's going to be warm tomorrow, 91 degrees. Now, we're not looking at triple digits tomorrow like we had today. Today we hit 101. I'm only in the upper 90s tomorrow, so we are going with 91 at that late morning recess or that lunchtime when the kids are out running around. So a little warm at that time, and then when the school bus drops them off at 90 tomorrow, late afternoon, 3, 4-ish, somewhere around there, 97 degrees, and there could be a thunderstorm or two around. So we had 30% of us saw rain today. About 40% of us will see rain tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. There's what's happening out there right now. Well, we had a decent little shower in a couple of spots today, a couple little downpours, a couple little gustnados were spotted. I've talked about those on the tweeter. You can check those out. But here we are. We're left with some cloud cover around tonight. And again, other than a spotty shower or two, that's really about it. Watch that. So not a whole lot of rain overnight tonight. Northeast Texas has a little bit better chance, but 10-20% of us here across Dallas-Fort Worth will see a little rain. Now there's 7 tomorrow morning. A couple little showers out to the west, also to the northwest. Watch as we head through the day tomorrow. The heat into the day starts to kick in 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock. There we are. There's some scattered showers and thunderstorms. The severe weather threat tomorrow, this isn't a tornado situation. I know we had some sonic-size hail today in a couple of spots, but for the most part, any severe weather that you have in the summertime, generally speaking, the most likely type of severe weather would be some downburst wind. So I'm not going to rule that out tomorrow. But once again, 40% of North Texas picks up rain. That means 60% of us won't see a drop. Then it fizzles out tomorrow night. But during the day tomorrow, a little higher coverage to the south, a little bit lower to the north, but about 40-ish or so percentage coverage across the area. That's what we'll see as we head through the day tomorrow. This is tomorrow night at midnight. Fizzles out. That's 7 Thursday morning. And then on Thursday, a couple little spotty showers. You see that coverage is only around 10%. A little higher coverage down to the south as we head through Thursday. So my forecast for tonight. Mainly dry. I'm not going to rule out a spotty shower, but the vast majority of North Texas will be dry as we head through tonight. It's a mostly cloudy night tonight. It's going to be a muggy night tonight, especially for those locations that picked up some rain. The lows tonight, upper 70s to lower 80s. I'll go 80 precisely for my forecast low. Then during the day tomorrow, 40% of us see rain. It's still going to be hot tomorrow. We hit 97, which is the normal high for tomorrow. With the clouds around, the little bit higher coverage of rain, I just don't see us hitting triple digits. And don't get me wrong, a number of locations will, but officially at DFW, I'm going 97 tomorrow. So still hot, but not as hot as today, certainly on the humid side. Now here's the story. Once again, I mentioned this is the best looking 10-day forecast I've had in the last couple of months. We stay in the upper 90s as we head through Saturday. There's that 40% tomorrow, 10% Thursday and Friday. I just showed you that. Saturday we're dry, hot, 98. Then we warm up even more on Sunday, up to 100, 101 on Monday, 102 on Tuesday, 103 on Wednesday. All of the models have been hinting at a bit of a pattern change the end of next week. So when you look at that Thursday and Friday there with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms and highs those days in the upper 90s, many of the models are going a tad cooler than that with a little bit higher rain coverage that will last not only through Thursday and Friday on that 10-day forecast, but possibly even into next week. And right now there's some indications that the second half of August, it's going to be hot, but just not that 100 to 105 degree temperature range. Maybe it's just in the upper 90s. That's what a lot of the models are hinting at right now. This is day 2 days in a row at those indicators. We'll have to see if that continues to come together. But right now, that's a really good looking 10-day forecast considering that it's been, as hot as Hades for the last, 3 months or so.